So we have some games I played on Stick War Saga. First one against is Thera the Humiliator. Thera the Humiliator is running a standard Spiritual deck, while I'm running my Tower Stall deck. Go luck, have fun. Okay, so Archer start, Crawler start, take Tower immediately, yada yada, good stuff. Good stuff. Thera is running. Alright, so I dodge Thera's archers. So just immediately gear up. Alright, so just kind of tower stalling for a little bit. Nothing too serious. Nothing special or anything. So this is quite good stuff so far, just tower stalling. There we go. Now we got the Spirited Tower spawns out. It dodges the archer, I don't know why, but sure. I mean, that's not too bad. Then we have this. So over here, I'm just killing, this guy's just killing the miners. Actually, this archer's gotten so much. I feel like maybe I should have killed the archer instead. With a lightning storm, I go for a second level of bashing, which may have also been a second mistake. Maybe I should have gone for Forge 2. Yeah, maybe that was the issue. Maybe I should have gone for Forge 2. Although in this game, I don't know, maybe it didn't matter. This game? Ah! Okay, so this is where stuff gets really, really bad. And Tesla fades away just before I can get my Riptor out there. And it's bad because I can't use Tesla. I can't use Tesla. And this guy is just being annoying. I don't know, Kichu needs a nerf or something, man. Should something be done about this? Oh. I feel like something should be done about this. Just dodging the army and going straight for the backline. I feel like something should be done about that. Because this is extremely unfair. Dodging the army and going straight for your car. This is extremely unfair. I don't really know, like... Alright, so Kichu is going to be... Kaichu or Kichu is going to be really annoying. It's not going to be fun. So I think this is having Forge 2 would have been helpful. Because we're taking a long time to chew through these Spiritings. As a well play, yeah, I lose this one because I don't have anything. Look at this account, like, look at this, like, how is this fair? Or, I don't know, I'm not gonna complain too much, it's not that bad. Maybe Kichu's a little bit too overpowered, but that's fine. Next game is against Sound. This guy's running a Spear Clipsor deck with Tower Stall. Very weird because Double Tower Spawn actually got nerfed. Double Tower Spawn got nerfed. And he doesn't go for more crawlers either. He went for one crawler instead. Which I don't get why. Like why? Just go for all crawlers and try to mass up an army. But nope, not that. I think even if he did have something, I think even if he did go for just like Scorch as well, and then obviously Voltaic armor with Riptors. This is fucking retarded. Alright, so he goes for an Eclipsor. I'm just messing him with Crawlers. And he lets his Crawler die for some reason. I think he should have at least kept it around. Why not? I mean, it's not like your max pop or anything. Go straight for Bastion. Bastion, go straight for that. Eclipsor is out here though. Unfortunately, one Eclipsor is not doing much of anything. He's not gonna do much. I mean, he's gonna make it slightly. He's gonna make it like I'm not gonna be able to rush early against this. Anyway, so like, yeah, one Eclipsor is not gonna do much. But it's a unit that I can only kill using my Scorch and Lightning Storm combo or Tesla. My base units cannot kill it. It's just something I can only kill using Scorch and Scorch and Lightning Storm or Tesla. Basically my spell. I can't kill it with anything else. I'm just running up and down the map, just distracting the army. And he's stockpiling resources. I have no clue what happened here. Maybe like he left, he's stockpiling resources